Amy first. Amy. Good girls. Fawnda. Hey, Angie. Aw, go eat your watermelon. Go eat your watermelon, Amy. Go eat your watermelon. Come here, Angie. Come here, Angie. Come here, baby, Angie. Like nanas, huh? Now you want it, silly. Now you want it, silly. Okay, hey, let's be nice. Amy, Amy. No, leave it. Good girl. Okay. Here we go. Angie. Here we go. Yum. Yum. That went fast. Amy, silly, wouldn't eat it yet. You wanted to taunt her with it. Okay, that was a quickie. That's a quickie. There's eyes. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, that was delicious. Some delicious snacks. Don't eat that. Don't eat that, Pondy. Don't eat that. Okay. 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 All done. Let's go back to enjoying the sun. LaFawnda, leave it. LaFawnda, leave it. Move it. Fawnda, leave it. Move it. Fawnda, leave it. Move it. Good girl. Her mohawk just went up a little bit and she had that look in her eye. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Guess we could say move it butt heads on Christmas in honor of Babe, huh? Good girl, Fawnda. Good girl. Listening to Mommy. Yeah, listening to Mommy. Good girls. Good girls. It's a lovely Christmas day. Good girl, Angie. Good girl, Angie. It's a good girl. She's just being a big girl. Tiny, 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 tiny. Teeny, tiny, tiny, tiny little pig. Good girl, Angie. Now, let's check all the spots and make sure we didn't miss a crumb. Okay, sweetie. Good girl. I was a big girl. You held your own, yes. Good girl. Okay, see you later. 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 See you later.